What's up? How y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Minimum Monet, and I am preparing myself for the month of December, okay? I cannot believe that it was been consistently under 40 degrees for the last 2 weeks, so I knew it was time to bring out all of my winter fits, all of my scarves, hats, stockings, boots, all of it, and wanted to build some winter fits with y'all, so let's get it. Okay, so winter outfits, pretty basic thing. You just wear a bunch of layers normally, right? Well, I'm trying to be cute. I'm trying to be extra, over the top a little bit. I really have been trying to introduce skirts into my winter wardrobe because I've got stockings, I've got, undershirts and things like that to keep me warm. So why not make it cute? That being said, it's also very easy to pair everything if you have one solid base and you get to pair on top. So I've got my cream dress, my black dress, and my white dress. I'm thinking each one will have their own stockings. So obviously white with white stockings, black with black stockings. And we're just gonna kind of wing it with the brown. Let's get started with our black base because I think black's pretty straightforward. So for my first look, I mentioned the black dress. So I'm a little cold, y'all, so this is the black dress. It's so cute, and the stockings. And my favorite thing about black is that it goes with everything, every single thing. And I got this dress as a gift one year, and it's from the website called Classy. Classy is awesome because, again, no bras, it's all into the outfit itself. So I thought this was a great base to start with because I can just put everything on top. I know my quarter zip is usually my first option because I feel like it's such a cozy vibe and it has like an open neck, so it just works. That paired with chunky black boots, a leather jacket, and any scarf to your liking, it just screams like sophisticated. So that's why I like black so much. It has a sophisticated vibe, it's easy to pair with a lot of things, and it doesn't look like you're overdoing it, even though I'm trying to a little bit. And again, black is just so versatile. You can go from drinks after work to, mini putt golf to a night at the library. It's such an easy thing to pair. It's just kind of how I feel. Like I can put anything with black and it just works. And a simple black dress, let's be honest, goes many ways. So I could definitely see this jumping around a little bit in terms of like what type of outing that you're doing for this season. Okay, so obviously white is next. So I love this piece because with white, it reminds me of snow, like this season. And something about white also brings like this playful effect to every outfit that I've ever paired. It just makes me look like fun and exciting, and like I can take any picture at any time. And also brings a lot of options for color. So with this one, I've got a simple white like sporty dress. This is, I think, technically a tennis dress, and it's got a little slit, for a little bit of fun. And then of course I got my stockings on, and just to kind of help warm it up a little bit. Obviously I'm gonna have socks, scarves, all that good stuff. But really like this one. It's so versatile too. I feel like with these outfits, I'm probably gonna be, ready for family photos for the season. Get that get that Christmas card ready kind of vibes. I could even, go look at Christmas lights, when you go through your neighborhood and walk through. It's just something fun and festive about these particular pieces being brought together all just on the color of white. So love that. Love the excitement and joy that I get out of these particular pairings. Okay, so last but not least, we have a like neutral, like cream brown, what you want to call it. To me, it's a neutral. So I got this corduroy dress, and it's kind of like got the same neckline and as well as the front. And I love it because it buttons up. I can put pretty much anything under it because this top part is not tight at all. This part right here is a little tight, and then this part is loose again. So love that. And I don't have stockings, unfortunately. Like I don't know where the brown stockings like vanished off to, but I cannot find them for nothing. So yeah, we're going on natural for this particular one. Love this one because it actually is warm on its own and it just needs an undershirt and like a simple jacket for it to just come together. I feel like I hit the Dark Academia lottery with this dress. I love it so much. I feel like I can pair a lot of dark, like moody vibes and it just works. You know, like this is for, it's like if you went to the record store or I don't know, like a listening party, just like cute stuff like that. You could even, if you're still in school, this is the perfect vibe because, you know, like who doesn't love a skirt sweater vest moment? And I love it because you look thought provoking, you know, you look studious. You know, this is perfect for if you gotta go study, if you, during, you know, finals weeks, let's be honest, I believe next week is finals for like traditional college right now, and just general, you know, moments to prepare yourself, whether that be for work, education, or if you're a teacher or something. So that's there, or just your household. Like we gotta prepare our household for this season. Let's be honest. So like, you know, put on your studious outfit. You know, get into the mood, get into the vibe. love this corduroy Dark Academia vibe. It brings the mood for real. All right, I'm all warmed up now. So, for those days where it gets a little bit colder and I don't want to go buy the very thick stockings that are all of the trend right now, you know, the ones with the skin tone, the leggings, and then like some other like Sherpa material inside. When those days I don't want to buy that and it's too cold to even try to traipse out in the stockings, we're gonna go with the pants. So I found a couple of pants that have a pattern that will just remind me of the season. So I'm going to start with a light and then go with a dark. The reason I wanted to do this is because there's days where I just need to go run errands and I want to look cute without trying too hard. And I have a bunch of t-shirts and I'm not getting rid of my t-shirts. My t-shirts are always out for me all year long. I don't reserve my t-shirts for a certain season because why do that? They still add something. I love these outfits because they bring me all the chill, all the cozy vibes that I'm looking for, but I also look kind of cool just because of the pattern. I don't know why, I just feel cool with this pattern. Who knows why? I don't know, I can't say enough things about this. I love that I can just kick back and chill with this vibe. I feel like I can go to a concert and at the same time go to a house party or a kickback and hang out with my friends and just, you know, look like I'm really tried really hard, but I didn't do much to pull all that together. And I still get to use my t-shirts, which is great because I literally can just swap out t-shirts and I think it's all the same. I feel like you can't really do all of the winter lookbook vibes without talking about leggings. Leggings are those annoying things that we just accept are necessary. I love them for those days where I literally am not thinking. I don't need any reason to get dressed. I'm just getting dressed because I have to leave the house or just like look presentable because somebody's coming by the house or something. These are last ditch efforts, but classing them up a little bit so that I can feel like cute for the winter. Because I don't know, leggings, they get a little bit boring. You know, you kind of want to jazz them up. So I'm just pairing these with some simple looks. Right, and last but not least, had to, in case you are like, you despise leggings, like that's just not your thing anymore, let's do some sweatpants, okay? Like, Love the sweatpants. I think I have about 4 pair of sweatpants that I'll be swapping, interchanging out over the course of the winter on those days where I don't care, but it's cold and I need protection. Those will be the times I wear these. So I'm pairing these with sneakers because I get tired of boots too. I think, just like t-shirts, you should be able to wear certain clothes all throughout the years. The best part about these looks is that I can pretty much swap out every sweatpant, every sweatshirt, and my jean jacket will pretty much go with all of them because I said so. Also, you can even interchange your sweatpants with cargo pants. I feel like that's also a good look, just for the sake of not wanting to change another time, and I feel really cozy right now. This is the last one. So yeah, that was everything that I felt was worthy of including in this winter lookbook. I had a lot of fun mixing and matching all the pieces. It made me feel comfortable knowing that I can go into this season, I can mix any clothes, any items together and still get an outfit out of it. So I feel like you could do the same. So hopefully some of these pieces made sense for you and you can piece them together yourself so you can, stay cozy and comfortable, because it's very important this season to, be happy, and comfortable is a big part of being happy. So with that, y'all have a fun December and catch you in the next video.